In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit and approve a bill in Xero. Let's get started by logging into your Xero account. Make sure you're in the correct organization and that you have permission to edit bills. Once you're in, head to the Purchases area. From there, choose Bills. This is your central place to view drafts, awaiting approval, and awaiting payment. So it's a good idea to glance at the status column to confirm where your bill currently sits. Open the bill you want to edit. If you have a lot of bills, use the search or filters to find it faster by supplier or reference. With the bill open, start by checking the supplier contact. If it's not the correct contact, update it here. This ensures the bill is tied to the right vendor profile, which helps with reporting, payment details, and contact history. Next, review the bill date and the due date. Adjust these if needed. The bill date affects the accounting period and aging, while the due date controls when this bill will show as payable. Keeping these dates accurate helps your payable schedule and cash flow forecasting stay on track. Now, look at the reference number. Update it if needed to match the supplier's document or your internal numbering. A consistent reference makes searching, reconciling, and auditing much smoother. Move down to the item table to edit products or services. You can adjust descriptions, choose the correct item or account code, and confirm the tax rate. If the bill lines need refining, change the quantity or price. As you edit, Xero will recalculate line totals and taxes automatically. Take a moment to check that each line points to the right expense account and that the tax treatment matches your local requirements. Once your line items look correct, review the updated total amount. Verify whether the totals are tax-inclusive or exclusive as indicated on the bill, and confirm the currency if you operate with multiple currencies. This is your final accuracy check before saving. When everything looks good, click Save. Saving preserves your changes and lets you come back if you need to double-check anything. If the bill is accurate and ready to post to your accounts, click Approve. Approving moves the bill into your accounts payable and may lock down certain fields, so only approve when you're confident everything is correct. That's it. You've logged in, navigated to bills, opened the bill, updated key details, reviewed the totals, saved your changes, and approved when ready. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.